The AI revolution at your fingertips. Imagine having access to all the top AI tools in the world from one dashboard. Writing AI, image AI, video AI, voice AI, chatbots, without paying hundreds of dollars every month. Most people want to use AI to create content, grow their business, or make money. But they quit because it's too expensive, too confusing, and too many platforms to manage. What if there was a way to stop paying monthly fees, stop juggling multiple tools, and start creating AI-powered content effortlessly, all in one place? In this video, I'll show you how Multiverse AI claims to solve these problems, why it could be the simplest way to master AI, and how it can save you time, money, and frustration. Why learning AI feels impossible. Let's be honest, AI is amazing, but it's overwhelming. You need one tool for writing, another for images, another for video, another for voice, and each comes with its own pricing, interface, and learning curve. It's no wonder most people quit before they even get started. The dream of using AI to create content, automate tasks, and grow a business feels out of reach. The problem with multiple AI tools. Switching between tools wastes time. Paying multiple subscriptions drains your wallet. Learning every interface is exhausting. By the time you're ready to create something, you've already burned your energy just managing the platforms. This is the reality for thousands of aspiring creators and entrepreneurs. Introducing Multiverse AI. Now imagine a platform that puts all AI tools in one place. No more juggling apps. No more paying monthly fees for every new AI engine. No more confusion about which tool to use. Writing AI, image generation, video creation, voice AI, chatbots, automation, all accessible from a single dashboard. Everything organized, everything simplified. How it works. Here's the beauty of it. You log in. Pick what you want to create. The platform either guides you or automatically selects the best AI engine for the task. Beginners don't get lost. Pros don't waste time deciding. It's AI made simple, solving cost and complexity. One of the biggest frustrations with AI is cost. Separate subscriptions can easily cost hundreds of dollars every month. Multiverse AI offers a one-time payment, giving you lifetime access to multiple AI engines. That means no recurring fees, no hidden costs, just a single investment for unlimited access. Beginner-friendly design. Even if you've never used AI before, you can get started. No coding skills. No technical setup. No complex prompts. Choose what you want to create. Follow simple steps and let the platform do the heavy lifting. Commercial rights included. Want to monetize your AI creations? With Multiverse AI, you get commercial usage rights. Create content, images, videos, or audio, and use it for business, clients, or sales, keeping 100% of the profit. This turns AI from a hobby into a real money-making tool. Who should use it? This platform is perfect for beginners who want to learn AI without getting stuck, content creators who need fast, consistent output, marketers who want copy, visuals, and videos in one place, small business owners who want to save time and cut costs, agencies who need scalable AI solutions. If you fall into any of these groups, this could be a game changer. Be realistic. That said, it's important to set expectations. No platform is perfect. Some features may not work exactly as advertised. Support may take time. That's why you should test the platform, explore the features, and make sure it fits your workflow. Use any trial or refund period wisely before committing. Summary. Multiverse AI promises to be the all-in-one AI platform that saves you time, money, and frustration. It offers centralized access to multiple AI tools, beginner-friendly interface, one-time payment, no recurring fees, Commercial usage rights. If it works as promised, it could revolutionize the way you learn and use AI. Final thought. AI is growing fast. The key is choosing tools that make learning and creating simpler, not more complicated. Multiverse AI claims to do exactly that, simplifying AI, putting it all in one place, and letting you focus on results instead of setup. Take your time, explore it, test it, decide if it fits your goals. The future belongs to those who use AI efficiently, and this could be your shortcut.